All right, gentlemen and ladies, welcome. This is Dr. Juliben Fish Academy, and in this video we are here to showcase a 350 capacity JBF oven that is going to Abeokuta. So this oven is specially for you, and we are designing this video or showing you what you are actually expecting on delivery. So the 350 capacity comes with 14 racks. It comes with 2 oil collectors, 2 charcoal collectors, and an industrial burner from inside. You will also see thermal insulated gloves. You will also see a thermometer attached to it to tell you the amount of temperature in your oven, and many other important things which I'm going to show you right now. We are in a very busy place at Ohoro Junction. So this is your oven, and that is exactly 350 capacity. Yeah, this is a very busy environment, okay? We're in Ohoro Junction, Benin City. Just in case you want to know where we are, just under the traffic lights, you will see where we do our construction works around here. And then we also own the office there. This is Adonai Building. You may not be able to see the name from here, but that's Adonai Building over there. So this is Ohoro Junction, Benin City, a very busy area in Benin. So while shooting this video, you are likely going to hear a lot of noise from the background, coming from vehicles and many stuff like that. So very importantly, let me introduce you to what you're expecting. First, you are going to see these keys. Your oven is going to be under lock and key, and these particular keys will be stapled at the top here, okay? And the essence of locking it is so that nobody gets access to your oven while it is on transit. That is a major purpose. All right, so you can also keep the keys at home and always lock your oven anytime you don't want anybody to have access to your oven, right? So this is just the surface view of how the oven looks like. And then of course what you see at the top here is your chimney. This is the first chimney and this is the second chimney, okay? So just very briefly, let me take you to the inside. This is the thermometer. So this thermometer will read, if you check, it's calibrated from 0 degrees Celsius to about 300 degrees Celsius. In Fahrenheit, you see 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. So your temperature range can actually rise from, now it's less than 50, okay? So that's roughly 25 degrees Celsius. So it's likely going to rise from here to 100 degrees Celsius and above, depending on how you use it, right? So, beautiful. So ladies and gentlemen, behold the edifice, and this is your 350 capacity JBF oven, a masterpiece par excellence. So this is how it looks like, an amazing edifice on its own, right? So this is 350 capacity, and very quickly let's show you how the inside will look like. First, these are your charcoal collectors, the first and the second charcoal collector, right? And then in between is your gas burner. What you see there is the vent through which oxygen can actually enter so that combustion can take place. Then the small hole you see there is meant for this, okay? So this is your industrial burner. This is how it looks like. The first thing to do is to remove this valve. When you remove the valve, you remove the flame controller. Then you take the bottom of this and pass it through that hole over there. So once it comes out from that hole, you put back your flame controller, put back your valve, and connect this to your cylinder so that you can power it in case you want to use the gas option. However, the oven is designed in such a way you can use gas and charcoal at the same time, okay? So the middle part is for your oil, is for your gas, while the 2 exterior parts are for your charcoal. And then also, this is the second part of the charcoal. Everything is made up of stainless. So also, you're going to see these gloves inside, okay? So the essence of this glove is to help you change your rack, swap your rack during the drying process. So this is very important for you as you dry, so that you can always swap your racks like that. And inside the gloves, you're going to see your receipt. So that's your receipt over there. So on arrival, you should be able to get it, okay? So I'm going to put back the burner here. Next, these are the oil collectors, okay? That's me there. Oil collectors, all made of stainless. And of course, it's designed in such a way that it can shoot outside for you to collect your oil while drying. So if I fix this, if you see the hole over there, it should just go in and slot in between that hole, and you will see them outside like this. Let me take you to the back. So this is the first oil collector, and then this is the second oil collector. We have not peeled this yet because I'm taking it to ABC Transport. I don't want any scratch to, scratch the oven. That's why I didn't peel the backside. The backside is going to be loaded on a vehicle which is going to take it to ABC Transport. So on arrival at ABC Transport, we're going to peel here, wrap it, and then get it delivered to you in Abeokuta. This is the second oil collector. Okay, so basically the next thing are the racks. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on this side, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on this side as well, making it a total of 14 racks. So that is the edifice you have ordered for. It is ready for delivery, and right now we are taking it to ABC Transport. So man, now you have seen what you are expecting on delivery. So please, once the oven gets to you in Abeokuta, try as much as you can to do a short video of the oven, the way it is wrapped, so that we'll be rest assured that nobody tampered on it and there was no dent. And then when you open the oven at your location, also try to shoot a short video acknowledging that you have received it and counting the different compartments within the oven, so that we are rest assured that everything in the oven got to you intact, in the right number, and in good condition. So please, this is what we request from you, so that once the oven gets to you, you can always get in touch with us. All right, thank you. For those of you viewing this update, just in case you need something like this, feel free to call that number you see on your screen, and this edifice will be designed and sent to you anywhere you find yourself in the world. We are professionals in oven construction and distribution, not just within Nigeria, but also outside the four walls of Nigeria. We have our ovens that have gone outside the continent of Africa, the UK, and many other places I can't mention online. Trust us, do business with us, and you will be happy you did. So just in case you want to know where we are, this is Ohoro Junction, Benin City, okay? We are not hiding, we are faithful, we are registered, and we do genuine business. So this is Ohoro Junction, Benin City. If you follow this way, it will take you to the east, Anambra State, Delta State, Enugu, and all that. If you follow this street, it will take you straight to the University of Benin. After the University of Benin, you enter the road straight that leads to Lagos, Port Harcourt, Port Harcourt, and Abuja and all that. So this junction is called Ohoro Junction in Benin City, and you'll find us here, and this is where we work in an open place. We are not hidden. And then you will also find us in that workshop over there, just opposite Adonai building. Thanks for watching. So at this point, we are going to take your oven straight to ABC Transport Benin Terminal for the delivery process. Boom.